Right, a Rems pipe threader, a Rems threader. No go. How do I see? Check the obvious stuff first. There's an older version. That's an old type switch here. A very good switch, but very old. Used to be in the Halties and old Bosch stuff. They're a reliable switch. So I don't think it's that. That's okay. And that's okay. First time ever working on one of these actually. It should be running. Pull one of the brushes off the armature. Otherwise you're just getting continuity through the two brushes. Check to see. I'm not getting anything. Stick us back together and test the switch on it. See if it works one direction. That's odd. That locates onto those brass pins. This is just a different variation on a model. You would nearly think that's a switch to change the direction of the motor to thread and non-thread, but it can't be, because this handle bolts onto this, so it can only sit like that. Once I bolt that handle on, this can't move. No. Right. Well, next and test the field. Looks alright. Yeah, something funny going on here. That has to be a switch. That should rotate around to engage the other pin on this side, but she won't. There's just something not right. This has to change direction. I'm not bolted on. Can't change direction because it's a solid, unless this isn't a solid piece. Ah, here we go. So this isn't solid, there's a separate ring inside. Yeah, this would have to be reversible. So you thread this onto a pipe, you cut through a pipe and thread it. You have to unthread the damn thing to get it off the pipe. It has to be reversible. Right, so this has been tampered with before. The other problem is that brush. The end of that brush holder was jamming. And ran up the wrong way around, more the lead facing the wrong direction. Yeah, that's better. Right, try this again. if you had a grinder built like this thing. Right, moment of truth. All she run. Sweet. No, still not sorted. She's going one way, not the other way. Sometimes she'll go, sometimes she won't. Problem, I hope, is this thing here. That's as far as she moves between these two marks. But she has to go over just a little bit more. So I'm hoping against hope, something to do with this. It just pulls apart. Yeah, there we go. Spring sitting in there, stopping it from going the whole way around. Something so friggin' simple. Hey? That should be sitting there. Should it be sitting there? So that's the detent there for the ball. No, nothing on the other side. Wrong way around completely. So somebody had to have opened that, messed it up, and put it back together wrong to get it sitting like that. The springs need to be on first. Springs, I've only got one. Obviously I don't have springs for this, so closest I'm going to get. It'll make it a strong detent. This is going to be a balancing act now. Easier to do this with it unwired. That's that on. Now, works that way. Thank God for that. Finally. Well, at least I know how they work now and how they go together. Just don't over tighten them screws actually, because they make that switch very stiff. Just tight enough. Anyway, that's a Rems Amigo 2, all fixed up, ready to go.